Hey everybody, I'm working on exercise 20 of Zed Shaw's Learn Ruby the Hard Way, and I had a question. So why do we need to use this rewind function in order to make this whole exercise work? See, the Zed Shaw in the video, he explains that it's like a tape. So when you use the print all function, it goes inside the file that we pass in, and it prints it all in order. And he says it's like a tape, so it goes in order and leaves it at the end. So you have to use the rewind function to go back to the beginning. So I decided to play with that. So I created the new file. This is the original file. And here's example 20 underscore drill.ruby. And so we have our functions just like in the file or in the original. And so here we're creating a variable which is equal to the act of opening the input file we pass into the script. And then I've stopped here, print all. So we're calling the print all function. So we should just see we only should see what is inside the file printed on the screen. So let's try that out. Great. So that's what we see. So now, we printed it all. So if it's true that we can't print it, if it's true that we need to rewind it, then we would have to print it. Printing it again wouldn't work, right? So current file. Okay. So now I'm calling it twice. So if he's right that we have to rewind it, this should work. This first one on line 18, and then line 20, that shouldn't work. So save. Let's try that. Ha! So that's what I got. So you see that it printed out right here. It printed out just like in the first time, except right here, it printed out nothing. I don't know, exactly what that means. Does that mean it's at the end of the file, so it printed out like the nothingness after these three lines? But either way, the meaning is the same, is that we do have to rewind it. So now we'll test this again. So changed out the print file with the rewind, or the print all function with the rewind function. And so now we'll put the print all again. Current file. And that should work. We should see it twice now. Booyah! Great. So here we see that's a demonstration of why you have to rewind.